Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Today we're going to be doing this beautiful coral look in honor of the Pantone color of the year. I've never done a tutorial like this, meaning of the color of the year, but today I thought that we would try to do that. So this is the look I came up with. The color of the year is Living Coral for 2019. So I'm going to take the Profusion eyeshadow palette and Festival. I also already primed my lid. We're going to be taking this, just the lightest brown in the palette. It's a cool tone brown, and it almost, when blended with the other shadows I'm going to use, kind of looks peachy, and it makes for a wonderful transition color. So it's just like one step above my skin tone color. And yes, just whatever's closest to your skin tone, use that as a transition color. And next we're going to be taking this Santee Color My Eyes jumbo eyeshadow pencil, and this is just like a peachy coral kind of eyeshadow stick, and I'm just using that as a secondary base because this is the first time using the palette. Don't know how well they're going to perform, and I really wanted the coral shade on the lid to pop. We're going to be picking up that nice, bright, beautiful coral shade in the Profusion Festival palette. That's all the names of these eyeshadows will be in the description box. And we're going to start by patting that all over the eyelid. And we're just going to press that into the base that we laid down. And it's really going to stick and adhere. And these shadows are powdery, but honestly, the amount of fallout you get, it's almost non-existent. I was very pleased with that. Hence why I'm not wearing anything to catch fallout today, because there really isn't any. Very surprising. So next up, we're just taking that darker orange shade right below the coral shade we used in the palette. Now any shade that you have in your own collection will work. You need a bright coral and almost a burnt kind of orange shade. They blend together so nicely. I'm going to put that on the outer corner, and I'm going to start building it up into the crease area, almost like making a C, like old school kind of tutorials you see, where the outer corner and crease area, just slightly bringing that in at the side of my brush. We always start out by patting the shade, but then we're going to take the side of the brush and just kind of sweep that into the crease. Now this will help with blending as well. Doing the same thing with the coral shade in that brush. I'm just blending that up into the crease with the side of the brush. I'm going to blend it down with my blending brush. And we are going to continue to blend. See? Blend out so nicely. Taking the lightest shade in the palette. And that's going to be for our highlight. Any nice matte vanilla shade you have will do for a highlight. And I'm going to apply it, and then I'm going to go back in with a crease brush just to warm everything back up. And that's it for the eyes. So easy and simple, you guys. And I think this look is perfect for summer. So we're going to do some tight lining. We're going to nude out our waterline as well, just to make our eyes appear really open. I'm going to use the Covergirl Supersizer Mascara. And we're going to apply that beautiful coral shade that we used on the lid to our lower lash line. And we are done. I love how this turned out. Beautiful look for summer. And for lips, we're using a creamy matte shade. And it's a nude, but I thought it was a little bit on the peachy side, and I thought it paired well with this look. So that's why I chose that lip. You can choose whatever lip you want. You can wear orange with this, coral, nude, whatever. And yes, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I definitely wanted to do a color of the year look. Coral is one of my favorite shades, and I think it's so flattering on my skin tone, so I had to do a makeup look. So hope you found the tutorial helpful. Thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already.